Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for all you PC gaming and graphics enthusiasts out there. The Saplos Radeon HD 6570 graphics card. If you're looking for the best emulator for low-end PCs without a dedicated graphics card, you're in the right place. Now, before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest tech reviews. Let's get started. The Saplos Radeon HD 6570 graphics card is designed to be a game changer for those with low-end PCs. Offering a fantastic gaming experience without the need for a dedicated graphics card. One of the standout features of this card is its dual HDMI ports. Yes, you heard that right, 2 HDMI ports. This means you can easily connect multiple monitors or your TV for an immersive gaming experience or multitasking without any hassle. But it's not just about the HDMI ports. This card boasts 1 GB of GDDR3 memory with a 64-bit interface, providing enough power to run your favorite games and applications smoothly. What's great is that it's designed to be low profile, making it perfect for small form-factor PCs. It's compact yet packs a punch. Let's take a quick look at some key specifications. It has a GPU clock speed of 650 MHz and a memory clock speed of 1334 MHz. Plus, it's a PCI Express X16 card, ensuring compatibility with most desktop systems. Speaking of compatibility, it works with Windows 7, 8, 10, XP, and Linux, making it versatile for various operating systems. One of the standout features is the plug-and-play installation. No need for additional power connectors. Simply insert it into your PCI Express slot, and you're good to go. Now, let's talk about cooling. The Saplos Radeon HD 6570 comes equipped with a single fan air cooling system. It's designed for efficient heat dissipation, ensuring your card stays cool even during intense gaming sessions. With its dual HDMI outputs, you can easily set up a dual display for tasks like video editing, streaming, or simply enjoying your favorite games on a big screen. Now, you might be wondering about the price. Well, it's currently available for just $69.99. Considering the features and performance, it's an absolute steal. Inside the box, you'll find the graphics card itself, a bracket, and a manual. It's all you need to get started. So, there you have it, folks. The Saplos Radeon HD 6570 graphics card, your best bet for upgrading your low-end PC and enjoying a seamless gaming experience without breaking the bank. If you've been struggling with an old PC, this graphics card might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Don't forget to check out the product link in the video description below. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments if you'd like to see more tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.